Hi, Burl here. I just want to talk about a new website, vacamorado.com. Um, this is it. It's just vacamorado.com. You notice you have two different things you can click on here. Start your first conversation will take you into very beginning, and then if you've already signed up to be a premium member, you can go straight to that hub. But I want to start with that first conversation link and take us through. So what's going to happen here? It's kind of cool. You can click on these buttons and it will give you the sound. I'm not sure how well this is going to come through as I'm recording,
Hola,
but there it is. So you have the sound, so you can learn how each of the phrases are are supposed to sound, and then you can record yourself introducing yourself. So right from the start, you're already talking. You don't have to know a whole lot, but you're going to record yourself. For example, I hit start recording here, and we go. Hola, me llamo Burl. Estoy aquí. Mucho gusto. I stop recording. Then I can play it back so that I can hear myself. I'm not going to do that right now since I'm recording a video. I don't know how the sound will record over into the other recording. So then uh, you did that very first lesson. As you can see, it's quite quick. You go through, you learn a little bit of vocabulary, listen to how it sounds, and then work with it. And you click there to describe yourself. Now, again, we can listen to some vocabulary. Notice it's not grammar heavy. It's not a whole bunch of verb conjugations. You can build your 5 sentences. So these right here are what you were just introduced to up here. Soy, I am. Soy de, I'm from. Vivo in, I live in. And trabajo como, I work as. All right. And then you can begin putting those together. If you fill that out, like in my case, my name is Burl. Right? Notice that down here, it's saying me llamo Burl. And soy de. Right? It says your origin. So soy de America. Right? Where do I live now? I live in South Carolina. Soy maestro. I just happen to know that one. That is, I'm a teacher. Okay? But then here, trabajo como. That's also maestro. So I should probably change this one like soy americano. All right. So American. Now, notice this here. They put it together. We've got our first few sentences right in the first lesson. Now you're going to write a 4 to 5 sentence introduction. You'll use this that you just built to help you create that. And then using the vocabulary that we've already been introduced, after you get done, you record that again. Once you record it, it's going to let you play that back and see how you sound. All right. That's a big part of it. When you hear yourself speaking and you can compare that to how it was supposed to sound up here, you know whether or not you're on the right track. Okay. Now we get to how verbs work. Again, not extensive verb conjugations, just talking a little bit about how verbs function. Okay. Then you have some intro. If you're into the charts and graphs, they're there for you. Okay, some basic verbs. Now, once you have done those first 3, you can unlock the Explore Topics section. You can also go to that up here. Okay. Now, notice each one of these modules, this is all in the free section of the site. We've got transportation, food and drink, tourism, technology, family and friends, and festivals. Okay. So when you click on that, it'll take you through a module. Okay. We have this, a little bit of vocabulary. Again, you can hear how each one sounds, right? A short bit of grammar, nothing much, just explaining the difference between masculine and feminine for definite articles. Some matching words for you to practice. You click on to continue, some simple descriptions. Now we get some adjectives so we can learn to start putting sentences together. Again, you have the adjectives here. You're beginning to build those sentences. We'll add a verb. Okay, so now you've got some subjects, some verbs, and some adjectives. Put them all together. Again, these are examples you can listen to. Okay. You're going to attempt some writing, check your answers, a little bit of multiple choice. and back to explore topics. Now, what we're not going to do right now is, like we just did transportation. Once you get to the premium side of things, let me go back here. There's another module for each of these. Like you can go into the car, the bus, the train, the plane, the bike, the metro, el camión, and continue working. Then when you get under the car, there's separate modules for things like the engine, the brakes, the transmission, other things that you would need to know about cars. They have their own module. Now, Zone C, okay. I guess it was still here in the free version, sorry. But there's more that you can do on the premium side. So under transportation, we have each one of these modules, okay? Again, food and drinks, all those. You can dive deeper, have a full module for each one. Then what Zone D does is it gives you a reading. So like if you've done all the modules for the car, you did the basics, okay? You did that transportation. You have a paragraph. All of this vocabulary is stuff you've been introduced to in all of those modules leading up to this. And a quick true or false just to see how you're doing. Anyway, that's all on the free side. If you want to do more than that, then you will need to go ahead and sign up for the premium. I will tell you this, it doesn't cost much. It's like $10 for a month, but they give you an extra free month. So have fun. If you're wanting to learn Spanish, I do recommend this site. Again, that's vacamorado.com. Bye.